Question number 16. It's an output type of question. Global variables are not there. Execution starts from the main function. So text is pointing to this string. Here you can write down the positive indices. Here you can write down the negative indices. I need the negative index for this character. So I am writing it here. Now length of text. How many characters are there in text? 10 characters are there. So your variable L contains 10. N text is equal to empty string. So N text is pointing to empty string. Range 0, L. L contains 10. Range 0, 10 returns 0 to 9. I takes the initial value 0. Text of 0, capital L. Capital L dot is lower. Wrong, because capital L is not lowercase alphabet. Wrong. So control comes to else part. Capital L dot is alphanumeric. So is alphanumeric returns true if the string is composed of alphabets or numbers, otherwise false. So capital L is an alphabet, so this returns true. This will be executed. N text should be concatenated with this. I contains 0, so 0 minus 1, 1. Text of minus 1, you get capital S. So N text concatenated with capital S, that comes in N text. So here capital S comes. I takes the next integer in the range 1. Text of 1, small e. Small e dot is lower. True, because small e is a lowercase alphabet. True. So this will be executed. N text concatenated with small e dot upper. So here you get capital E. So N text capital S concatenated with capital E, that comes here. So here one capital E comes. I takes the next integer in the range 2. Text of 2, small a. Small a dot is lower. True. So this will be executed. N text concatenated with small a dot upper. So here you get capital A, that is assigned it to N text. So here one capital A comes. I takes the next integer in the range 3. Text of 3, small r. Small r dot is lower. True, because small r is a lowercase alphabet. This will be executed. N text, which is this, concatenated with small r dot upper. So here you get capital R, that is assigned it to N text. So here capital R comes. I takes the next integer in the range 4. Text of 4, you get small n. Small n dot is lower. True. So this will be executed. N text, which is this, concatenated with small n dot upper. So here you get capital N, that is assigned it to N text. So here capital N comes. I takes the next integer in the range 5. Text of 5, you get small I. Small I dot is lower. True. So this will be executed. N text, which is this, concatenated with small I dot upper. So capital I, that comes in N text. So now here one capital I comes. I takes the next integer in the range 6. Now text of 6. So here you get small n. Small n dot is lower. True. So this will be executed. N text, which is this, concatenated with I is 6. Text of 6 will give you small n dot upper. Here you get capital N. So that comes in N text. So here one capital N comes. I takes the next integer in the range 7. Now text of 7, what will you get? Small g. Small g dot is lower. True. So this will be executed. N text concatenated with small g dot upper. So here you get capital G, that is assigned to end text. So here you get capital G. I takes the next integer in the range 8. Now text of 8, you will get capital C. Capital C dot is lower, wrong. So control comes to else part. Capital C dot is alphanumeric, true, because capital C is alphabet. So this will be executed. End text concatenated with I is 8, 8 minus 1, 7, text of 7. So you will get small g. So small g will come here, that is concatenated. I takes the last integer in the range 9, text of 9, that will give you capital S. Capital S dot is lower, wrong. Control comes to else part. Capital S dot is alphanumeric, true, because capital S is an alphabet. This will be executed. End text, which is this, concatenated with the text of I minus 1. I is 9, 9 minus 1, 8, text of 8, capital C. So here you get capital C. Now there are no more integers in the range. You will exit from this for loop and print end text. This string will be displayed in the computer's monitor. So when you run this program, this is the final output.